A place for pure love, a scenery just right, listening to the waterfall flow in pure delight. Birds singing sweetly, echoing around, a tranquil place, a vision of heaven, a place that can be found. Nights drawing in, we stay right where we are, wrapped in a blanket, looking at the stars. I'd stay like this forever, a chosen fairy tale, an ending as we want, a time to prevail. Let's sit beneath the waterfall, breath of freshness in, taking in this memory, a place we've never been, a romantic peace upon us, the water's so clear blue, my love right here beside me, taking in the view. Things like this I've seen in a storybook. Never in this world would I'd ever have the luck. I've dreamt and fantasized of how it would, but to be here in person, a miracle for me. The next best thing is my love right by my side, exchanging vows, swapping rings, always fantasize. Let's sit beneath the waterfall, breath of freshness in, taking in this memory, a place we've never been, a romantic peace upon us, the water's so clear blue, my love right here beside me, taking in the view. A dream it may be over, but our life we've left to live in this world, this sanctuary in which the Lord did give. Prayers for lifetime happiness, all things we'll achieve. We'll build our home filled with love, our health, and a name to please. Our home filled with love and health, and all seas aim to please.